Welcome. Let us see how to install Visual Studio. So go to browser, type Visual Studio. So currently we are having 22 version. So type Visual Studio 2022. I'm downloading for Windows 11. So hit enter. Now this will open us this link. Click on this link. Now if we scroll down, you can see here community version. So this is free for student and individual contributors. So click on that free download. So this will download us the installer required for downloading the Visual Studio and installing it. So click on it. Yes, you can see this .exe. Click on it. So now this Visual Studio version will be different in coming years. Maybe you will have 2023 or 2024. Click on continue. So you can see we have different workloads. So as per your need, you can select your workload. I need ASP.NET and .NET Desktop development. I'm selecting it. So total space it will occupy around 8 GB. So you can see here different overloads. Like I said, you can select as per your requirement. And if you see on this drop down, I will suggest to download all and then install. So selecting download all and then install. And top corner you can see there are different installations. Check. So you can select. These are the default selected, but you can select as per your need. So I have selected these default ones. Now I'm clicking on install. So this will take time. I will fast forward it and will meet you on end of this installation. So you can see it's downloaded and now it started installing. So this is Visual Studio Community 2022. In coming years you will see different versions. So now you can see installation is complete. So we got this pop-up saying done installation. Click on OK. Now our installation is complete. So we'll go to apps and search for Visual Studio. Scrolling down. So let me pin it. I will pin it to taskbar. Okay. So now right click on it and open it as a administrator. So this will open us the Visual Studio. See, we can skip this for now. No need to sign in. Select the theme. I am selecting light. You can select as per your like or need. Start Visual Studio. Yes. So from here we can open any project solution. Now close this window. Yes, from here you can open your folders or your solution directly and you can start working on your project. Yes. So that's all. In this way we can install our Visual Studio and start working on our projects. Thank you all.